In this video, I will show you how to buy keys for cases in CS2, and I will also open one case to show you how. And with that in mind, let's get right into it. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to your CS2 inventory by clicking on inventory, and on your inventory you will actually find the cases. If you don't have any case, you will have to buy the case you wish to open from the Steam market. To do that, you can shift tab and open the Steam market from here. And after that, you can search for your desired case you would like to open. For example, if you want to open this case, I will just buy one for example. Once you are in the case you want to open, you can click right here in the bottom of the screen where it says the price of that specific key and choose your amount of case you would like to buy. In my case, I want to open only this case, so I will buy just one key. And I will click on that green button, and as you can see, from here, I buy right now the key, and now I will have the option to open the case by clicking on Unlock Container. And now, if you wish to buy the keys, you can buy them individually or in bulk. For example, you can buy 20 keys at once to save time. Just click on the option you prefer. Thank you for watching, I hope this was helpful, and if it was helpful, share this video with your friends so they could also know how to buy keys for cases in CS2.